Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the exclusive leak of Samsung's One UI 7 Home Up module. This update is packed with exciting features that will elevate your Galaxy experience. From customizable animations to enlarged folders, One UI 7 is bringing you more control than ever before. Let's break it down. Enlarged folders. First up, let's talk folders. The One UI 7 Home Up module introduces enlarged folders with grid layouts like 2x2, 2x4, and more. You can now personalize folder and icon sizes separately, giving your home screen a fresh new look. And if you loved the old pop-up folders, don't worry, they're still here, but now with even more tweaks. You can adjust blur effects, sizes, and even make folders adapt to the number of items inside. Animation customization. Now, let's dive into the real magic: animations. We all love smooth animations, right? With One UI 7, you're not just stuck with what Samsung gives you. This update lets you fine-tune animations to your liking. Whether you prefer snappy movements or smooth transitions, you can tweak everything from damping and stiffness to friction. It's like total control over how your phone feels. Wallpaper and home screen animation. Here's where things get interesting. The One UI 7 module lets you adjust wallpaper scaling, blur effects, and even the animation duration for your home screen. Want your wallpaper to scale faster or slower? You've got it! You can also tweak how icons behave during swipes and transitions, whether you want them to follow closely or stay more stationary. It's all about making your phone feel just the way you want it to. Background blur options. And for all the aesthetic lovers out there, the background blur options are super customizable. You can now increase or reduce blur effects in folders, pop-ups, and wallpapers to create a more visually smooth experience. Your phone's UI is about to look sleeker than ever. So there you have it. The One UI 7 Home Up module is shaping up to be an amazing update with tons of customization options. If you want to take control of your Galaxy's animations, folders, and overall look, you won't want to miss this one. Stay tuned for more updates as the One UI 7 beta rolls out. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insider tech news.